Okay, so now for our 13 form set. Now the first movement is called triple palms. The first movement, we get into a horse stance. Again, you can start in a high horse stance. And you can gradually lower down, palms in front. We're going to press forward. So our eyes want to be looking past the upper leading hand. Hands up, we're going to open the sky and close the earth. Open the sky and close. How are you guys doing out there? Words, elongating that neck. Seven. Good. Okay, well that brings us to the end of our 13 form set. Hope you guys feel invigorated, and until next time, bye.